revenue 20,000, net income 4,000, asset 30,000, equity 14,000, everything in rupees. Based on this above info, we have to compute return on equity based on dew point model. Note it down, dew point model. It's a system of financial analysis. It's a system of financial analysis to compute return on equity. It's a system of financial analysis to compute return on equity. Based on this model, formula for return on equity is equal to return on equity profitability multiplied with asset turnover ratio profitability multiplied with asset turnover into equity multiplier. Profitability into asset turnover into equity multiplier. Profitability nothing but profitability ratio. You know the profitability ratio, net profit divided by sales into 100. The profitability ratio. Asset turnover ratio. What is the formula for asset turnover ratio? Turnover divided by that's all. Turnover nothing but sales. Turnover divided by total assets. Equity multiplier. Asset divided by equity. Asset divided by equity. Net profit. Net income is called net profit here. 4,000 divided by revenue comes to
20,000.
total revenue 20,000 into 100. What is the answer for the net profit ratio?
20%.
How much? 20%. Asset turnover 20,000. Asset 30,000. 0.67 times. Equity multiplier. Asset 30,000. Equity 14,000.
2.14
times.
0.2867.
In percentage 0.2867. That is equal to how much percentage? 28.67 percentage. Understood? Return on equity is equal to 28.67 percentage. If you see the significance of that 28.67 percentage I am classifying into two parts. Profitability into asset turnover ratio. How much the profitability and asset turnover ratio? 20%. 0.2 into 0.67 is equal to
13.4%.
how much?
13.4.
13.4%. Out of 28.67, balance comes to how much? 13.41. Balance is equal to 15.27. Clear? So, the 13.4% is due to profit margin. What is it called? Profit margin. Whereas 15.27 is due to financial leverage because of debt fund. Due to debt fund, usage of debt fund is there, we are getting 15.27. The leverage, financial leverage, the debt fund is not there, mean you are supposed to get how much? 13.4. Are you able to follow or not? Total return to the equity shareholders 28.67, out of which due to margin profit comes to 13.4, and the remaining 15%, 15.27% is because of our financial leverage, because cost of the debt fund is cheaper than cost of equity, and we are having tax shield on only for debt fund, not for equity fund. Due to that, they are getting additional 15.27. That concept is called Pont Model.